Hello, in this question we will learn about inheritance in Python. How to inherit class from another class. What is inheritance in Python? First of all, in object-oriented, we can create classes. This is the first class, this is the second class, this is the third class. These classes, each class contains properties, and methods. Here, a class contains properties and methods. Here, class contains properties and methods. Sometimes there is similarities in the name of the method in more than one class. Let's say this class have method called b, and here in this class also there is a method also called b. No need to be the same content of the method, just the same name of the method. And this class also contains the method b. And also this class contains let's say that this class, the shapes class. This class is triangle. Triangle. This class is square. This class is circle. Okay, so all these classes have variable named area. Here area also. Here area. So circle has area, square also has area of a square, triangle also has area. So there is a similarity in the name of variable. In this case, we can make a parent class. We can call it shape, and we can put in shape all the variables that's similar in this. So we can put variable area in shape and delete it from circle, delete it from triangle, delete it from square. And all these classes inherits from shape, the class shape. So the shape is parent, and the sons are these classes. Each son takes inherits the parents. So it takes all variables and methods in the parent. Also, this b function we can delete it from all sons and define it in the parents. So in this case, anything in the parent can be taken by the son. This is the inheritance in general. In this example, in this question, we will create a class called vehicle. This is the solution. Creating a class called vehicle, and then create another class called bus. A bus is a type of vehicle also. Anyway, so the bus can have the same variables of vehicle. Okay. How to create class vehicle? Write just class and then vehicle, 2 points. This empty line, no need for it. You can put it without empty line, no problem. And then after it, define the initiation function. Initiation function for creating the instance, the copy of the class. Initiation function have these parameters. The parameters are name, max speed, mileage. These are the variables of the vehicle. And always when we create an initiation function, we put self. The first parameter will be self, just self. Save it like this. Inside the constructor, we just put the values of the parameters inside self. So self.name, self it means the vehicle itself. Self.name, so the name of the vehicle here equals name this. I mean this name is the parameter, but this name is the name inside vehicle. Self.max speed here is the max speed in vehicle, but here this max speed is the parameter. Here also the same, this mileage is the parameter, and this mileage inside the vehicle. So we put these values inside the values of vehicle. This is the constructor. After it, we create the class bus, a new class called bus. This class inherits from the class vehicle. How to make inheritance? Just write after it 2 brackets, and between the bracket the name of the parent class. So the parent class here is vehicle. So bus inherits from vehicle. 2 points, pass. Pass, what the meaning of pass? Pass, it means that this class is empty. When we put an empty class and it's anyway inherits from a parent class, this means that anyway this class, the son class, contains everything in the parent class because it's inherit from it. So here in implementation, when we make an object and then put inside it the output of the constructor, now we call the constructor bus. The constructor of bus contains constructor. The constructor of bus, when you look, you will not find any constructor here in bus, but there's a constructor in the parents. So here we call the constructor of parent, which take 3 parameters: name, max speed, mileage. This is it. Name, max speed, and mileage, and we call it. The constructor of bus makes a new instance of the class bus and put inside it these 3 variables, these 3 values, and put it inside the school bus. Here we can retrieve the values in school bus by just calling the names of the variables inside school bus. School bus.name, school bus.max speed, school bus.mileage, and we can print it inside the print function. And this is it. And thank you.